This is question numbers 9 and 10 on page 678. Number 9 says that you have 5 shirts and 4 pairs of pants. And the question wants to know how many different ways can you arrange your shirts and pants into outfits. We talked in class about the multiplication counting principle. The way the multiplication counting principle works is if I have a certain number of one item and a certain number of another item, we can combine those in x times y number of ways. Kind of a quick example here is if I flip a coin, flip has an I and L in it, we know we have 2 outcomes, right? You could get a head or you could get a tail. And we also roll a die. We have 6 possible outcomes there. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. If we were to list all the possibilities, I could get head and 1. I could get head and 2. I could get head and 3. Head and 4, head and 5, head and 6. Or I could get tail 1, tail 2, tails and 3, tails and 4, tails and 5, tails and 6. Notice there are 6 plus 6. I have a total of 12 different outcomes, which I could get by just doing 6 times 2. Same thing works right here. You have 5 shirts, 4 pairs of pants. Notice this is not either a permutation or a combination, because I'm not just taking one thing and rearranging them or selecting some of these 5 shirts. I have 5 shirts, 4 pairs of pants. I need 1 shirt and 1 pair of pants. I have 5 options for my shirts and 4 options for my pants. So I just do 5 times 4 and I get a total of 20 different outfits. Easy enough. Number 10 is a little bit more difficult. It says to create an entry code for a push button door lock, you need to first choose a letter. So I need 1 letter and then 3 single-digit numbers. Question wants to know how many different entry codes could you create. So I need a letter, which means there are 26 options for that letter. My first single-digit number has a total of 10 options. You could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or you could have 0. 0 is also a single-digit number. My second option, my second digit, I also have 10 options. It doesn't say that they have to be unique, that they have to be different. So this one, they could be the same. It could be 6 and then 6. And my third one, I have 10 options as well. Again, multiplication counting principle says we then multiply. So we get a total of 26,000 different entry codes.